Check it out, folks. I just pulled over on the side of the road here. I seen some apple trees. Down in here, look at these. I just pulled out an old cork top Charles H. Fletcher Castoria bottle. A couple of these old cork tops. Look at those. But this was a kicker right here. Look at that. An old poison bottle. Would have said not to be taken. Man, that sucks. That's broke. I'm going to keep that shard anyways, and I'm going to keep looking around. I might even go get my shovel. Alright, I'll catch you later. Just scraped up the Woodbury's horse liniment. Nice little cork top. Clear one. Seam goes right up to the top. I don't know if you can see it there or not. Probably not. Alright, I'll keep scraping around. Just scraped out another Woodbury's right beside the first one. Cool. On to the next. Just popped out another. Looks like a Woodbury's horse liniment. Yeah. Those other two I got, a while ago, were right over that way. Probably 15 feet. Here's another one. Potting back in my day. This is an older looking one though. The other two look to be from the 20s. This one, yeah, seemed definitely is not machine made. Okay, I'll keep scraping around here. Catch you later. Check it out, folks. Bottles and stuff down underneath this tree that's fallen down. I just pulled this out of the roots up in here. Wish I had filmed it, but I didn't think it was going to be anything. Registered the International Drug Company, St. Stephen, New Brunswick. Big one. That's probably from the 30s, maybe. Maybe earlier. I see there's another one. Something else right up here. Right here. Oh, screw top Raleighs. Probably from the 30s or 40s. I don't see anything else in here at the moment. I'll get you back up if I find anything else.
Check this thing out, folks, that I just found. I'm pretty sure that says Dr. Scholl's, something number 2. September 2nd, maybe, 1915. It's pretty small. It's metal. Piece of leather or something on the back. Maybe rubber, I don't know. Scholls on that too. Something. Yeah, that way. Anyways, that's different. And a kid shoe for sure. Steel bottom on it. Just picked this one up off the ground, folks. I'm down in the cellar hole of some sort. Flies are pretty bad. It's Shamrock Whisky. Mitchell and Company of Belfast Limited. This side says Reputed Pint. It's a screw top though. It's a funny green color, a light green color. Anyways, I'll hang on to it and look it up. On to the next.
Good day, folks.
Hope everyone's doing fine. Welcome to the roundup. Let's start over here with this stuff. There's these two big liquor bottles. This one is blown. There's no seam at all on it. This one has a seam around the shoulder area here and up to the base of the finish. I don't know if you can see it right there or not, but there is. Runs up to there. Two different tops on them. So from what I can gather, this would have been a tooled finish and this would have been an applied finish. I'm not real familiar with them, so I'm not going to go into any more detail than that. Got three Woodbury's horse liniments. I suspect they're all from the 1920s. I thought this one was older, but it isn't. The seam's right up to the top of the lip as well. But it's a nice color. You can see the difference in the colors there. This is a Charles H. Fletcher Castoria bottle. Seam goes right up to the top. 1920s most likely. Laxative. This is the shard to a poison bottle. Would have said not to be taken. Nice cobalt blue. On the bottom we got the glassmaker's mark. BFG and Company. Oh yes, and there is a seam. Appears there's seams on it. But this BFG and Company, they were around 1896 to 1939. So I suspect this is probably from the 20s or possibly 30s. And this stuff was all found in the same location. This International Drug Company bottle, St. Stephen, New Brunswick, 28 fluid ounces. I suspect that is from the 1930s. That was found at a different location. That is actually a pop bottle from the International Drug Company. Third location, I found this Shamrock Whisky bottle. Mitchell and Company of Belfast, Limited. Reputed pint. There's a chip out of the edge down here. Still has the cap. It's in really good shape actually. I suspect this is from the late 1920s, possibly the 30s. I'm not 100% sure. From what I can gather online, these bottles are rare. If anybody knows any information on them, I would love to hear about it. This Belfast distillery closed in 1929. It's got the Dominion glass mark on the bottom. They came into being in 1928. So, it says register pint on this side. So I don't know what that means, but it's a nice looking bottle. And I would like to find out some more information on it. This here, I found the same location as the Shamrock Whisky. It's a Dr. Scholl's insert. It's actually a leather and silveroid insert from September 7th, 1915. And it's probably worth about $2 in this condition, and I don't think I'll be keeping it. But anyways, it's an interesting find. I had no idea Dr. Scholl's was around that long. Now I know. Well, that's everything, folks. I hope you enjoyed the video. Good luck, happy hunting, and I'll catch us all on the next one. Over and out.